Another alert? Are you kidding me?
At 12:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Farragut, or near Lenore City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
I caught that in time.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
That TV has been fenford.
Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Jesus.
Locations impacted include Knoxville, Maryville, Sevierville, Lenore City, Alcoa, Farragut, Pigeon Forge, Louisville, Rockford, and Eagleton Village. This includes Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 369 and 407. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.